Best 2-in-1 soldering stations. Are you looking for the best 2-in-1 soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best 2-in-1 soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YIHUA 862BD Plus Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station. YIHUA 862BD Plus SMD Safe 2-in-1 Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, Multifunction Precision Tool. Upgrade your electronics workstation with the YIHUA 862BD Plus SMD Safe 2-in-1 Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, a versatile, professional-grade solution designed for precision, efficiency, and safety. Perfect for hobbyists, technicians, and engineers, this all-in-one rework station combines the functionality of a high-performance soldering iron and a hot air gun, allowing you to handle a wide range of soldering and repair tasks with ease. Powered by 110 volts and delivering 750 watts of performance, the YIHUA 862BD Plus ensures fast heat-up and stable temperature control. Switch effortlessly between Fahrenheit and Celsius modes for precise adjustments tailored to your project. The station features ESD-safe technology, providing protection for sensitive electronic components and preventing static damage during soldering or rework processes. Designed for comfort and convenience, the YIHUA 862BD Plus is compact yet robust, with dimensions of 4.88-inch dx 9.8 wx 7.36h and weighing just 0.3 ounces, making it easy to integrate into any workspace. Its intuitive controls and multiple functions, such as temperature presets, airflow adjustment, and soldering tip compatibility, enhance efficiency and accuracy, whether you're working on circuit boards, repairing mobile phones, or performing delicate SMD component tasks. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, the YIHUA 862BD Plus delivers consistent results, reduces rework errors, and increases productivity. Elevate your electronics repair and DIY projects with a rework station engineered for precision, reliability, and versatility. Experience professional soldering and rework with the YIHUA 862BD Plus, your all-in-one solution for electronic excellence. Number 2. WEP 882D Soldering Iron Station. WEP 882D 2-in-1 Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, complete SMD electronics repair kit. Take your electronics repair and DIY projects to the next level with the WEP 882D 2-in-1 Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, a professional-grade, multifunctional tool designed for precision, efficiency, and versatility. Ideal for hobbyists, technicians, and engineers, this station combines the power of a high-performance soldering iron with a hot air rework system, allowing you to handle a wide range of SMD and through-hole soldering tasks with ease. Operating at 110 volts and delivering 750 watts of consistent performance, the WEP 882D heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures, ensuring clean, accurate soldering every time. The station includes 2 spools of solder wire, 5 soldering tips, 3 hot air nozzles, a brass wool tip cleaner, tweezers, and a desoldering pump, providing a complete toolkit for repair, rework, and assembly of electronic components. Compact yet durable, the WEP 882D measures 3.54-inch dx 5.9 wx 2.28h and weighs 1.1 kilograms, making it easy to integrate into any workspace. Its user-friendly design features intuitive temperature and airflow controls, allowing precise adjustments for delicate SMD work or larger PCB projects. The included accessories enhance efficiency, reduce rework, and make component replacement or repair simpler and faster. Designed for both beginners and professionals, the WEP 882D ensures safe, reliable operation with long-lasting durability. Whether repairing circuit boards, mobile devices, or small electronics, this all-in-one rework station offers everything you need for accurate, professional results. Upgrade your electronics toolkit with the WEP 882D, the ultimate 2-in-1 soldering and rework solution for precision, versatility, and complete control. Number 3. CREWORKS 898D Soldering and Rework Station. CREWORKS 2-in-1 SMD Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, 898D Digital Electronic Repair Kit with LED display. Enhance your electronics repair workflow with the CREWORKS 2-in-1 SMD soldering iron and hot air rework station, model SRSD898-00, a versatile and professional-grade tool designed for precision, efficiency, and convenience. This all-in-one rework station is ideal for hobbyists, technicians, and engineers who demand reliable performance for soldering, rework, and component replacement tasks. Operating at 110 volts with 700 watts of power, the CREWORKS 898D heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures for accurate, clean soldering every time. The station features a bright LED display, allowing easy monitoring of temperature settings in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, ensuring precise control over your soldering and hot air work. This soldering kit comes complete with 11 high-quality soldering tips and a built-in hot air heat gun, providing flexibility for various SMD and through-hole projects. The ergonomic design and intuitive controls make switching between soldering and hot air rework seamless, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability for frequent use. Compact and efficient, the CREWORKS 898D is designed to fit comfortably into any workspace while delivering professional results. Its multifunctional capabilities make it perfect for repairing circuit boards, mobile phones, small electronics, and other delicate components with ease. The combination of high power, precise temperature control, and versatile accessories ensures faster, more reliable repairs with reduced risk of component damage. Upgrade your electronics toolkit with the CREWORKS 2-in-1 soldering iron and hot air rework station, the ultimate digital repair solution for precision, efficiency, and professional results. Number 4. MeFix 8586 Soldering and Hot Air Station. MeFix 8586 2-in-1 soldering iron and SMD hot air rework station, professional electronics repair tool. Upgrade your electronics workshop with the MeFix 8586 soldering station, a versatile 2-in-1 soldering iron and hot air rework station designed for precision, efficiency, and professional-grade performance. Ideal for electronics enthusiasts, technicians, and engineers, this station provides everything you need to handle soldering, desoldering, and rework tasks on SMD components, PCBs, and small electronic devices. Operating at 110 volts AC with 760 watts of power, the MeFix 8586 heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures for accurate, clean soldering and reliable hot air rework. Its dual-function design allows seamless switching between the soldering iron and hot air gun, providing maximum flexibility for a wide variety of repair tasks. The station is thoughtfully designed with user-friendly controls that allow precise temperature adjustment, ensuring safety for delicate electronic components. Compact yet robust, it measures 5.43-inch dx 3.78 wx 6.02h and weighs 2.85 kilograms, making it durable enough for frequent use while fitting comfortably into any workspace. Whether you are repairing mobile phones, circuit boards, or small electronics, the MeFix 8586 ensures professional results with reduced risk of component damage. Its high-performance heating elements provide consistent thermal output, improving efficiency and reducing rework errors. Engineered for both beginners and professionals, the MeFix 8586 2-in-1 soldering station combines power, precision, and versatility in a single compact unit. Elevate your electronics repair projects and enjoy fast, reliable, and accurate soldering and rework performance with this essential tool. Experience professional electronics repair with the MeFix 8586, your all-in-one soldering and hot air rework solution. Number 5. TLBZK 2-in-1 Soldering Station. TLBZK 2-in-1 SMD Hot Air Soldering Station and Soldering Iron Kit, complete rework station with LED display. Upgrade your electronics repair setup with the TLBZK 2-in-1 SMD Hot Air Soldering Station and Soldering Iron Kit, a versatile, professional-grade solution designed for precision, efficiency, and convenience. Perfect for hobbyists, technicians, and engineers, this all-in-one rework station allows you to handle a wide range of soldering, desoldering, and component repair tasks with ease. Powered by 110 volts AC and 600 watts, the TLBZK rework station heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures, ensuring consistent, clean soldering for both SMD and through-hole components. The integrated LED display provides clear, easy-to-read temperature settings, allowing precise adjustments for delicate electronic parts. This comprehensive kit includes multiple soldering tips, hot air nozzles, tweezers, and a fuse, giving you everything you need for efficient soldering, repair, and rework. The heat gun and soldering iron function independently or together, offering maximum flexibility for various projects, from circuit boards and mobile device repairs to small electronic assemblies. Designed for both professionals and beginners, the TLBZK station is compact yet durable, making it suitable for any workspace. Its intuitive controls and reliable heating elements reduce the risk of component damage and improve workflow efficiency. Whether you are repairing electronics, assembling DIY projects, or working on precision SMD components, the TLBZK 2-in-1 SMD hot air soldering station and soldering iron kit ensures professional results every time. Experience precision, versatility, and reliability in one compact rework station with TLBZK, the ultimate tool for all your soldering and electronics repair needs.